I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your fonts, font sizes, font colors in your Ditty. There's a couple ways you can do this, and there's a couple levels of hierarchy or overriding. So in this post I've set up, you can see I got a couple default item types, and then I'm also displaying 3 latest posts. Both of these, or all of these, are using just the default layouts that will automatically populate when you add them to your Ditty. The default item type, if you look at this layout, it has no CSS whatsoever. If you look at the posts, there's quite a bit of CSS here that's already styling it. So this would be the one way to adjust your fonts, is to go into the styles, change it all the times. You can do that. You can set the font size here, line height. So the Ditty item elements is the kind of the whole container of each individual Ditty item. So if you set the font size, font family within this container or this selector, it'll filter through the rest of the items. But then I'm also setting the time font size, title font size, etc., which is creating the whole layout. So I'm going to leave that for now. If you're just using default items, or if you want to sort of scratch the CSS that is in the posts, you can go to your display and styles, and you can use this to set sort of your base font styling overall for your whole Ditty. So you can set, let's find something. There's PT Sans, and let's change up the font size, line height, letter spacing if you want to. Let's not do that. Then you can also set the text color here. Let's just do something more with the grays. And if you have links, you can set the link color. As you can see, it's changing down here. And then there's more settings for your items, for the styling, that you can go through if you want. I'm not going to spend the time in this video, but you got item styles, your container styles, content, page styles. Play around with those to set background colors, paddings, borders, and stuff like that. But this is the styles for your display. Will set the global styles for your Ditty. So that would be the first place to update your fonts. And then if you want to customize those even further based on your different elements in your Ditty, that's when you would go to your layout, CSS, and override that stuff here. So I'm actually going to get rid of a couple of these here. Get rid of the font and font size there. Let's see what else we got. I want to keep the time, font size, font weight, font title is good. So you could also use M if you wanted to, which would adjust the font size based on your kind of general font size. There we go. There must be a dashboard, general CSS applied for paragraph tags. So I'm setting my paragraph tags to 1M, which will make it the same size as the elements. One last thing here, or quick thing here. I'm going to just show the excerpt. There we go. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to use all M's instead of pixels. So time. Let's try. What else we got? Avatar. Alright, I think I'm using M's for all these. And then you can see if we go back to the styles here, if I adjust, if I make this bigger or smaller, it'll adjust these accordingly based on the settings I put in the custom CSS. So that's the long and short of it. Again, start off by adjusting your display font styles to set sort of the global font styling for whole Ditty, and then you can go into your layouts to customize even a little bit further for each item or for a whole set of items. So good luck customizing, and let me know if you have any more questions.